In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell shares on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside their web trader, you want to click on this plus icon at the very top here where you can see your kind of the watch list. And on this plus button, you want to hover over products and enable shares over here to be able to see them. Then what you want to do is, of course, select the country. I'm going to go ahead and select the US over here. And then you want to select which share you want to actually sell. So I'm just going to choose a random one over here. And then you want to go and right click on it wherever you want, so right click anywhere and click on order ticket at the very top. Now in here it's going to pop up a box like this here, and then you can just click on the sell button over here, select the amount of units. So let's say you want to do 10 units, it's going to automatically give you the amount over here, and then you can go ahead and select if you want it to be a market order, a limit order, or a stop entry order. When you do this, you could also go ahead and set stop losses, set take profits if you want to as well, and then here you can see all the estimated margins, potential costs, etc. So there's going to be a whole summary if you click on this arrow next to it, and then here at the bottom you simply want to click place a market sell order or whatever order you chose with costs, and whenever you do this over here, as you can see, you've successfully sold shares. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.